Hi, what's up everyone? So today we're going to take a look at the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. For some reason, it's super hard to get it during this period of time. I don't know why, maybe everyone was trying to order it. The Amazon one that I ordered didn't come on time, so I went to Best Buy to pick it up. They had one in stock, so it's really lucky for me to get it. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. Okay, this is nice. I had the Osmo Mobile 2 before, and I don't have the Osmo Mobile 3 because the shape of the gimbal changed in Osmo Mobile 3. That's why it's kind of making me don't want to get it because it seems kind of hard to use it. Same thing, this one has the same or similar shape, so I am not super excited about that, but that's okay. So there's a kind of packaging with the accessories, which is the phone holder, not the phone holder, the phone clip, and a pouch for you to carry the gimbal around. I'm just gonna put it aside. Oh, here you go. Really nice packaging with the gimbal and also the tripod. So this one allows you to use the tripod as well. Before, the Osmo Mobile 2 didn't come with a tripod, but this one doesn't come with the case, which is something that is kind of strange. And you also have a charging cable, the USB to USB-C charging cable right here. Oh, I was actually wrong. This one right here, it's for you to align the magnetic sticker puck thingy onto your phone, so you can use just this magnetic puck instead of the clip right here, because not a lot of people want to have an extra big clip on there. But this one allows you to use the other way, which is nice. And by the way, I am holding on to the clip right now. I am not too sure what this is. Riser pad for small phones. So this one, I believe you stick it onto your clip right here to make it a little bit thicker. So if your phone is super small or thin, you use this to make the clip a little bit thicker. But I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it should be fine without this extra padding, this is pretty nice. And let's take a look at the gimbal. Again, it doesn't come with a case, which is kind of, I wish they have. And this is the gimbal right here. It weighs about the same compared to the Osmo Mobile 2 or 3. I have held the Osmo Mobile 3 before, so this is similar. And let's try to clip this onto the phone. So I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a case. I will try to use it with the case because I don't want to have to remove the case every single time. It seems a little tight, but it seems fine. It's not too bothering with this clip on. I believe like some people, they do have magnetic puck at the back of their phone anyway, so this is not going to be too annoying. But of course, if you want to use your phone continuously, then you might want to remove this clip right here. By the way, this is made out of metal. I don't know what kind of metal that is, but it is made out of metal, which is nice. And let's see if I can actually set it up quickly in this video. If yes, then that's awesome. It has a quick starter guide, so you clip the thing onto your phone and then you basically raise this thing up. Oh, so it goes like this. It's kind of scary. So this is the hinge and you just pull it up like this. And this is how it should be without the phone. And what we're gonna do right now is to mount the phone onto the thing. Oh wait, they actually ask you to mount the phone onto the gimbal before you pull it out, but that's okay. By the way, this clip right here, it is directional. It has a sticker there that is telling you to point the camera this way. So the DJI logo should face the same side or same way upward as your phone. So this is how you should do it. And I believe you just stick this thing on. Whoops. Nope, it doesn't align this way. So, oh, by the way, you can rotate this thing. So you can actually see the shape. This is how you align it. So you can rotate this space and align it. Oh my God, that's some really strong magnet. Like really, really strong. I'm like shaking it. And it's not coming off. Don't worry. Is it easy to pull it off? Oh, it is quite easy to pull it off, but then it's super strong, like so strong. Okay, so this is how it's like right now. Let's see if I have to balance it or not. I hope that there's battery inside. If not, then I'll skip to the part after I charge it up. Oh, it does have battery. It has a little ding. Oh, wow. This is amazing. You don't even have to balance it. Kind of. It's in vertical mode right now. Yeah. Sorry for the buzzing sound for some reason. Something is like buzzing outside. I don't know what's going on. So it looks a little off. It's not like perfectly straight. You can see that this side it's kind of down and this side it's up. And I believe you just triple click to, nope. You double click the M to rotate it. Yes. So this is how you rotate it. You don't even have to balance it. This is crazy. This is probably the easiest gimbal setup tutorial ever. You just put it on there and it will just balance itself. And you double click to put it back to center. This way, again, it's kind of off. I think I need to download the app to calibrate it because this is kind of off right now. You can see that this side, again, my right side or your left side, it's kind of pointing down compared to the other side. It does have some power already, which is nice. And as you guys already probably know, compared to the previous model, same thing. You have these button layouts. You have the record button. If you download the app using the in-app camera to record, you can use this to record. And you have a zoom in, zoom out trigger right here. And you have the change mode button. Of course, as I showed you guys before, you double click it to flip it to horizontal, vertical mode from horizontal mode. This is for your Instagram story, and you double click it back to the horizontal mode. Oh my God. And this is how you should film. At least like that's how I usually film. And you have a joystick here to adjust the direction, of course. And it's really smooth. This is awesome. This is really nice. This is much better than the 2 or 3. But okay, this is the problem. When you want to go to the flashlight mode, like if you want to hold this sideways, you can see that the phone it's not completely flat or facing the right direction. It's pointing downward. That's the problem I had with the Osmo Mobile 3 when they first came out because it's kind of funky to use that mode. I think what you need to do is you have to hold on to it like this. Like you have to hold on to it like this instead of going flashlight. You can't do it like this because the motor is in the way of the phone movement, so you can't do it like this. It will just pan. And by the way, this is in follow mode right now. I believe if you hold on to the trigger, it will just stay stable like this. This is super trippy, but super cool. Again, no, it's still doing this weird thing. It's the motor, it's gonna try to avoid the phone. And the clearance is really, really small, as you can see. Yeah, it's kind of scary, but yeah, it's not really. You have to hold on to it in like a super weird angle. You have to do it like this. So I'm not used to this kind of filming habit when it comes to holding on to the gimbal in flashlight mode. So that was my problem. And this is still the problem. And it's making your arm kind of tired doing this way. So yeah, that's the thing. See, it's kind of funky now. The direction of the phone, it's off now. But let's see. Okay, so you have to hold on to the trigger, do it like kind of sideways. I hope you guys can see how much of a struggle I'm having right now in order to do this, like dolly in and out. I'll show you guys the footage of how it looks like with the gimbal or without the gimbal, just to tell you guys if it's worth getting this. And of course, you have a tripod to mount at the bottom. It's just a standard tripod mount screw, so you can actually mount the Osmo Mobile 4 onto a tripod, like an actual tripod, or a monopod if you want to have a top-down kind of tall shots. You can do that with a monopod mount to the bottom, and it has multiple modes that you can kind of have it to track yourself. That was available when it was back in the Osmo Mobile 2 days, but I'll see how good it is now. So let's take a look at the accessories. Oh, so it comes with a strap. I don't know where you mount this. Oh, yeah. So you mount the strap at the bottom right here. You see the holes? That's where you mount the straps, and that's pretty handy. So just in case if anything happens, you won't drop your entire system, because it is quite expensive, including your phone if you drop the whole thing. This is just a really nice soft pouch. That's nice. And again, this is the strap, the wrist strap. And we have this funky thing here. Okay, so this this is interesting. So it comes with a alignment kind of plastic. I don't know if you can actually see it because it's transparent. It's gonna help you to align this center puck thingy to the center of your phone. It has different sizes and shapes, so you can actually use this to help. And wow, this is interesting. So you put this on the back of your phone first, and then you stick this onto your phone, but it's gonna stay there like permanently. So like, it's up to you, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't mind. Oh, it comes with extra stickers. Like, these are the extra 3M stickers, I believe, for that puck thingy. So you can actually remove it and stick it onto other phones, just in case if you got a new phone. And a whole bunch of paperwork that I don't think that matters. So that's it. Those are the accessories. And this is just a quick unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 4 from DJI. And I will make a video showing you guys if it's worth using the gimbal or just using phone stabilizer, like at the internal stabilization of your phone cameras. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and the stabilization, it's known to be really good already. So it will help to decide if you should get this roughly $150 gimbal, or you just stick with your phone stabilizer because they're pretty good already. But of course, this one allows you to do some more like trickier shots. For example, like if you want to go like, oh, down and up to review something, or if you want to do like smooth panning, I'm pretty sure that it's better with the Osmo Mobile 4. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time.